Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can use the new Instagram drawing feature in chat so you can send doodles and handwritten messages in your DMs. Let's get started. First, make sure you're using the latest version of Instagram. Open up the App Store, search for Instagram. Once you search for it, simply tap onto it, and if it says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. After that, head back to your home screen, open up Instagram, and then log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on the DM icon and then select any chat you want to send a drawing to. Just like that, tap on this plus icon, then tap on draw. Now you can doodle freely. Use your finger to draw, change colors using the color picker on the side, and then undo with back arrow. You can also use the eraser to fix mistakes. Take your time and be creative. After that, once you're done, tap on the send message, and then they'll receive it like a normal photo or message. And that's it. That is how you can use Instagram drawing feature in chat. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.